Did you know 3 men pulled off the only successful escape from the most secure prison in America? On June 11, 1962, guards at Alcatraz conducted their routine evening head count. What they found in 3 cells changed everything. Dummy heads made of soap and toilet paper lay on the pillows, fooling guards for hours. Frank Morris and the Anglin brothers had vanished. For months, they had used improvised spoons and nail clippers to dig through their cell walls. Behind the cells, they built an elaborate workshop in an unused corridor. They stole raincoats from the prison laundry, turning them into flotation devices in a makeshift raft. Every guard rotation was timed perfectly. At midnight, they crawled through the ventilation system onto the roof, then disappeared into the freezing waters of San Francisco Bay. The FBI launched one of the longest investigations in history. Despite decades of searching, they were never found, dead or alive. The only successful Alcatraz escape remains an unsolved mystery.